This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for a chemistry exam in one night. First, quickly review your syllabus and notes to pinpoint the most important topics. Focus on areas where you struggle or that are heavily weighted on the exam. Gather all your study materials, like textbooks, past quizzes, and practice problems, to ensure you have everything at hand. This initial assessment is crucial for efficient, last-minute preparation. Next, engage actively with the material. Don't just passively read, work through example problems and try to explain concepts aloud. Make quick flashcards for essential formulas, definitions, and reaction mechanisms. Then, practice solving a few problems from each major topic. This hands-on approach helps reinforce your learning and identifies any remaining gaps in your knowledge before the exam. Now it's time to test your knowledge. Take a practice test under timed conditions to simulate the actual exam environment. This helps you manage your time and reduces test anxiety. After completing it, thoroughly review your answers. Understand why you made mistakes rather than just noting them. Finally, try to get a short, focused rest period, even just 20 minutes, to help consolidate the information. On exam day, arrive early, well-rested, and with all your necessary supplies, like a calculator and pencils. Take a deep breath and read all instructions carefully before you begin answering any questions. Remember to manage your time wisely throughout the exam. Also, for some great deals and the link to those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check out the description below this video. Good luck with your exam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.